Hello everyone. RPF Constable 2025 second shift analysis March 2nd, March 3rd. Where is the Tehri Dam located? Tehri बांध कहाँ स्थित है? The answer for this question is option B, Uttarakhand. The Tehri Dam is located in Uttarakhand in India. It is the tallest dam in India and one of the tallest in the world. Where is located? Tehri Dam is in the Tehri Garhwal district, Uttarakhand. It's on Bhagirathi River in New Tehri. It is a it is in the shadow of the Himalayas. How many days in कानुम पोंगल सेलिब्रेटेड? कानुम पोंगल कितने दिनों तक मनाया जाता है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 1 day. कानुम पोंगल इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डे ऑफ द पोंगल फेस्टिवल? कानुम पोंगल पोंगल उत्सव किस दिन मनाया जाता है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज चौथा दिन, फोर्थ डे. What are the 4 days of the Pongal? Bogi Pongal, Thai Pongal, Mattu Pongal, and Kanu Pongal, with Kanu Pongal being the last day. The Kosi River is tributary of which river? कोसी नदी किस नदी की सहायक नदी है? The answer for this question is Ganga. The Kosi River is a tributary of the Ganges River. It's one of the largest tributary of the Ganges after the Garana and the Yamuna. Who wrote the Indian War of Independence, a nationalist history of the 1857 revolt? 1850 विद्रोह का राष्ट्रवादी इतिहास का इंडियन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस किसने लिखा था? The answer for this question is विनायक दामोदर सावरकर. What is the SI unit of the electric current? विद्युत धारा की SI इकाई क्या है? The answer for this question is ampere. How many chapters पर्वस are in the महाभारत? महाभारत में कुल कितने अध्याय पर्व है? The answer for this question is 18. Who started the Bhudan movement, also known as the Bloodless Revolution in 1951? भूदान आंदोलन जिसे रक्तहीन क्रांति की कहा जाता है 1951 में किसने शुरू किया था? The answer for this question is विनोबा भावे. Which is the longest national highway in India? भारत के सबसे लंबा राष्ट्रीय राजमार्ग कौन सा है? The answer for this question is NH44. The longest highway in India is NH44, stretching from the Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, covering a distance of approximately 3745 kilometers. The national highways 118 and 541 are the shortest national highway in India, each measuring about 5 kilometers in length. National 118 connects towns of Asanbani and Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. NH 545 located in Maharashtra. Sant Tukaram was from which Indian state? Sant Tukaram किस भारतीय राज्य से थे? The answer for this question is Maharashtra. In which year was the title Governor General of India changed to Viceroy of India? किस वर्ष भारत के गवर्नर जनरल की उपाधि को वायसराय ऑफ इंडिया में बदल गया था? The answer for this question is 1858. In 1858, the title of Governor General of India was changed to Viceroy of India. Lord Canning was the first Viceroy of India. Where is Durgapur Steel Plant located? Durgapur Steel Plant कहाँ स्थित है? The answer for this question is West Bengal. पश्चिम बंगाल में स्थित है. The Durgapur Steel Plant is located in the West Bengal, India. It's one of the integrated steel plants of the Steel Authority of India Limited. Say, why do water droplets bead up on the lotus leaves? जल की बूंदें कमल के पत्तों पर मोतियों की तरह क्यों दिखाई देती है? The answer for this question is due to superhydrophobicity. Thank you for watching. These are the key